In today's guide video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a group on Snapchat. By adding people to a group, you can easily chat with everyone all at once, like so as in any other social media. Now, in order to create a group on Snapchat, you simply need to tap on this chat option on the bottom right here, which is in blue, and then tap on this option which says new group. You can add up to 100 people in a particular group. Before you add people, you also would want to add in a name of the group. After that is done, you can now start adding people. To add people, you can simply tap on their names and they will be selected. Now after that, you can tap on chat with group on the bottom. And after you do that, you'll successfully create your own group on Snapchat. If you guys liked and found this video useful, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.